Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with League of Legends. Whenever you're trying to play the game, you got the error, your game requires a system restart to play. And even if you restarted your PC, the game just doesn't launch. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, I have come up with the simple basic fixes to play League of Legends. If you have installed Citrix software into your PC, make sure you completely uninstall this particular software from the system in order to play the game. Nextly is, right in the Lloyd client, select League of Legends, and in League of Legends, you need to open system tray. If over here Vanguard is available, again I am telling you, if Vanguard is available, you need to right click on it and choose the option exit, and then try to play the game again. If this doesn't fix, click on start menu and type League. Instead of starting the game from this desktop icon, you need to launch the game right from this. Type in League in the start menu and select League of Legends to directly play the game in order to fix out the issue of your game requires a system restart to play. If this failed to work out, in next step, click on start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator. In command prompt, you need to paste a command to turn off test signing. I'll share the command in the description of this video. Once copied, paste right over here and hit the enter key. My secure boot is turned off, that's why it doesn't let me modify the secure boot policy. So if you have secure boot turned off, this command will work out for you, and then try to launch the game. Now if like me, if your secure boot is turned on, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to C drive, Riot Games, League of Legends, scroll down and you will find League of Legends client. Right click on it and choose the option show more options, click on send to and select the option desktop create shortcut. Now this is the shortcut that we have just created. Right click and choose option properties. Now in the shortcut tab, here you will find a target option. Simply select everything and delete right from here. Once deleted, now in target, copy this particular command from the description of this video, paste right over here. Once it is pasted, hit apply and OK button. What this command will do is, it will disable the patching and in turns help you fix out the issue of League of Legends. Your game requires a system restart to play. Go ahead and launch the game using this shortcut icon only and you will be able to play the game. Now if all this method fails, the last hope you have is to download a tool with the name Void Tools. From here, download the portable zip version into your PC. Save it into your desktop or wherever you want. Once it is downloaded, open the zip folder and unzip whatever the programs inside it. Now right click on everything and choose the option run as administrator. Now using this tool, you need to delete all the Riot Vanguard services from your PC. In the search option, type in Riot. Now these are all the services that are running with the name Riot. What you need to do is to select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. One more thing friends, while deleting, make sure you exit Riot client from your PC. Even from system tray icon, if it is available, right click and exit. Else you will not be able to delete the files. Now once you exit the Riot client, select all the files, right click and choose option delete. After deleting Riot, type in League and here the League of Legends files right over here. Again select all of them right from here, right click and delete. And thirdly is Vanguard. Again select each and every file, right click and delete. Make sure you delete all three files with the name Riot, League as well as Vanguard. Now after removing everything, you need to reinstall League of Legends and Riot client in your PC. After reinstalling, right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now here find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it. In startup type, make it automatic. If the service status is stopped, click on the start option to start the service at once. Now hit apply and OK button. Now close it. Now don't forget to restart your PC, and once your system restart, you will be able to play League of Legends and you will not be encountered again with the same error of your game requires a system restart to play. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.